I'm Arshit and you're watching Current Class English. Please subscribe, like and share my channel so I will be motivated creating technical videos like this. So let's start it. Today I'm gonna continue our portfolio with Python series. So guys, you are here at our course and this is what we have to build. So firstly we have to change one thing. I realized that this is header and this is subheader. So just like this it will be also done to yours. So we have these icons. So what these icons, you have to simply right click on them, right click on these files, then Windows dot, then choose your emoji. Suppose me, I think that was this. Then like this. Then if you will go here, then you will get this. And again you have to do the same. You have to press Windows plus dot, then home, underscore, enter. Now here will be a problem because our home.py file will not be exist. So we have to do one thing. Firstly the CLS, then streamlit run one underscore question mark app.py. Okay, then if I will run this, then it will be get running. So guys, it is saying that is streamlit accidentally stopped. So no, it is not stopped, we have stopped it. So guys, now it is running and we get the icons also. So now we have to make this chatbot functional. So for that, firstly go to the cloud.grok.com. I think that was this one. Okay, console.grok.com. Then API keys. Then create a new API key. So guys, let's say the API key to be portfolio underscore YouTube, then submit. By the way, you have to make your Grok account for this. You can watch my LangChain in one video series, so you will get the knowledge of this. Okay, then after that you have to write from Grok import Grok, simply this. Then right here model is equal to Grok API key is this, and this is perfect. After that we have here, we have to go here. Yeah, so guys, model.chat.completions.create messages is equal to this. Then here you have to write role system. Here we will say the chatbot to answer behalf on persona. So we will give the persona. You have to make a variable known as persona and you have to define yourself in that. So guys, let's see here. You are Arish bot. You answer on behalf of persona provided persona and question you will be getting. So after that we have to make here role user. Okay, role user, then content colon like this. You have to do the same like this. Persona is your persona variable. Then you have my question from this persona is the prompt that we get. After that, we will slash something. We will slash choices 0.message dot content, then ht dot write underscore stream. I like stream so much. Then let's go here and rerun this. I hope we will not get any error. Okay, let's say who are you. With write stream is not defined, so let's write here write. Okay, then let's see. Ask to chatbot completion, chat.completions. Okay, one keyword is missing. Oh, we have missed so many things we have missed. So we have to write here model Mixtral 8x7v32768, then temperature 0. Who are you? Hello, I am Arash Patel, helpful assistant, speaking on behalf of Arush Dixit, a 10-year-old kid passionate about programming. Arush has knowledge of various fields such as web development, data science, AI, and computer vision. If you did like more about Arush Dixit, you can visit his YouTube channel at Now We Can Assist You. After that, we can also add one thing. I don't prefer to do this, but right now I have some options to do it. So we are gonna do like this. We will add some content here about me. I think that was about me that we have passed here. Yeah, this is a very good content, so I can answer like this. Okay, persona. One more. Don't do this in yours once. One more persona of Arush Dixit is this one about me. Then let's go here and rerun this. Ask to chatbot. Okay guys, we get it. Now we are getting it. So let's add some loaders to make it a bit impressive. st.spinner generating thinking will be good, I think. Thinking . I have one impressive idea. Let's write here import pyttsx3. This is a package for speaking, and we can say here that let's store this whole content in a variable called let's say answer. This will be answer. So here we get answer. So after writing, we are gonna speak our answer. Now you will say where is speak. So this is our pyttsx3 is speak. We have speak, and it will ask the text. So give the text, and here also pyttsx3 speak, and let's write here thinking answer. So guys, at the initializing, when it was starting, we will write here one thing more. pytts63 dot speak. Not here. Let's place it above. Right here. Hello. Welcome to the portfolio of Arush Dixit. Let's see. If it will work, then we will keep it.
Hello, welcome to the portfolio of Arush Dixit.
Guys, it is working. Guys, let's see. If I ask to chatbot.
Hello, welcome to the portfolio of Arush Dixit. Thinking answer. Hello, I am Arush Dixit, a passionate 10-year-old tech enthusiast from Sihapur, Uttar Pradesh, India.
Guys, see
I
this.
started learning
See
programming
this.
during the COVID-19
And what
pandemic
else we
in
need
2020,
other than
and
this?
since then, I have expanded my skills to include
This
C++,
is enough
VBA,
to
web
make
HTML,
your
CSS,
portfolio.
PHP, MySQL, and data science.
So let's
I
stop
have
this.
even delved into advanced math subjects such as statistics, probability, linear algebra, and calculus. I have created 2 YouTube
So
channels
guys,
to
see,
share my
see,
knowledge and passion
we
with the
get
world.
it. I hope you get
110
it.
plus, Indie,
This is such an amazing thing. I just get the idea right now. I don't wanna add this. The loop is already started.
My first channel where I share tutorials and tech tips in Hindi. To connect tech Arush
Guys,
English,
see, it is working, guys. So that's it, guys. This is a video. I hope you like this video, and our portfolio is created. I hope you like this series. And that's it, guys. This is the video. I hope you like this video. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching the video.